Lakeman Learners, this is Keith from Lakeman Learning. This week we're going to talk about how to put a simple but professional looking sponsorship proposal together. Okay, now first of all, this is something that a lot of new guys who are into sponsorship do. They don't think about putting the actual letterhead on the letters that they send out. Yeah. Now what you really need to do is have a professional looking proposal headed note paper. When you do that, it makes the actual letter stand out to sponsorship possibilities. Okay. Now what we do then is we move on to our first paragraph. We talk about the description of who you are or your organisation, and try and work in from the actual proposal why your organisation is going to be beneficial to that company. Now, talking about that, you move on to the third part of the actual 4 easy ways to do that step. And the third way is to explain to the sponsor how you are going to be able to benefit that sponsor. Because most sponsors, they're not philanthropists. They are not going to just sponsor you just because they like the look of your letter. They're going to sponsor you because they know they're going to get something out of it. Yeah? So they are going to benefit from their sponsorship of your event. Okay? Now, just before we go into our fourth and final step, I just need to mention, please do subscribe. Please do click on the notification bell to get further videos from ourselves. And please do click in the like button and do have some comments of what you think of our videos. Okay. Now we move on to the fourth and final step. Now when we get to the third actual paragraph, basically what we're doing is we're looking at a closing statement. Now within that closing statement, just needs to be a small closing statement. Doesn't have to be, War of the Worlds. Doesn't have to be War and Peace. Doesn't have to be a full-blown sketch of what you have done, what you can do, what you can do for the actual sponsor. What you do is you put the paragraph together, tell them what you're doing, what your event is all about, and include your proposal sheet and also some options of how they can sponsor the event. Okay. Well, thank you for listening to me this week, Lakeman Learners. Please do click on that subscription button, click on the notification bell. See you next week.